Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2876. I'm going to show you how to reset this printer to factory default setting. Use right arrow button, go to the settings, select OK, then scroll to restore default settings, select OK. It will show you network settings. It will show you copy setting. Use right arrow button, copy setting, scan setting, clear all data and settings, select OK. Restore all settings including network to default, then you select OK, yes or no. This is no. OK to confirm yes, and when you do this you will remove the printer on the network. Select OK to confirm. Processing, please wait. Settings restored. Then you go back to the home page, and if you look on the Wi-Fi icon, the Wi-Fi is no longer on the network. The Wi-Fi icon is in blank color. Initially it was in blue color. So this is how to restore the printer to factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed. You need to reconnect the printer to a network to be able to use the printer. Thank you very much indeed.